guys, welcome to We Talk Keto's Keto in 10, where we take your favorite meals and make them into something keto friendly. I am Koshel and today we're going to do frittatas. Why frittatas? Because it is fast and easy to do and it is our very first keto recipe on the channel and I wanted something to eat for breakfast, so frittatas it is today. Now if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel. And let's get into making our breakfast frittata.
So I'm going to put in a nice generous amount of butter. I'm putting my chopped green and red peppers. Mix that up in my butter so that it can be well fried. Then I'm going to put in my mushrooms. Then you mix that together. Alright, you bring that all together. Oh gosh, it looks a bit dry. I think I should put in a little bit more butter. So let me put in a little bit more butter in this. Alright, and then mix it all up. Alright, so my butter. Then I mix it up. Then I put in my onions. Yes, put in my onions. Oh, look at the color. Look at that color. Then put in my green onions. Let's mix up. Blend up, mix up, blend up. Alright, you can see how that mushroom drank up all the butter. Then I put in my cream cheese. Oh, the cream cheese taking a bit of time to melt, but eventually it will melt. Wow, you see how this came together, guys? Nice soft cream cheese. Then I put in my cheddar cheese. Don't forget your cheddar cheese. You need cheddar cheese for that frittata. Put in my grated cheddar cheese. Mix that up with my cream cheese, my peppers, my onions, and mushrooms. Wow, look at this. Look at color. Look at the pop of color. Then I'm going to take 6 eggs to mix with these. Now don't mind me with my knife and breaking eggs with a knife. I am comfortable breaking eggs with a knife. I've been doing it for so long that I really don't mind. If you're not comfortable with doing it like this, you don't have to. It just doesn't matter. So we mix up those eggs, break up the yolks, make sure it is nice and well blended. Then we're going to put in our peppers, onions, cheddar cheese, cream cheese mixture into that egg. Just make sure you get every last bit. I want to make sure I get every last bit. Just put it into my egg. Then I'm going to put in a dash of salt and mix that up. Make sure it is well blended in your egg. Alright. Alright, look at that, guys. Alright, there's my dash of salt. It looks like a lot, but trust me, it's not. So blend this. Blend. So now we put into our baking pan. No, I am not going to grease my baking pan. You could do it yourself if you like. It really doesn't matter. You could do it or not. It makes no difference to me. So pour this into my baking pan, and then we're going to put this in our oven. But before we do this, we need to put in our cheddar cheese. Do not forget to coat that egg and onions and mushroom with some cheddar cheese. Oh, and I love cheese. Man, if I could put cheese on all food and make it taste really good.
One eternity later.
Cheese. So then we put this in our oven for 10 to 15 minutes and out it comes. Wow, guys, can you see that? Look at the cheddar cheese on top of that. It looks really nice. It has a nice color. I wonder how it tastes. I'm going to taste it right now. So I'm just going to take this off, or before that, put some parsley on top and take it off. Alright. So I'm using a non-stick baking pan, so the bottom comes off real easily. Wow, look at how spongy it looks on the sides. So I'm going to cut a generous amount for myself. It feels soft. Now eggs take a very short time to cook. Wow, that feels moist and it smells good. Yeah. So be careful when you put that thing in the oven that you don't burn it. Right. Cut that. Take a slice. Yeah, I'm using my hand. It's me that's going to eat it, so it doesn't even matter. As long as your hand is clean and washed. Wow, look at that. Look at the peppers and onions inside this. Right, so this is just for decoration, for presentation. And this is how it looks, guys. It tastes really good.
So here you have it, keto frittatas. If you want to make this dish, we put the link below in the description. Send us a message, give us comments, give us a thumbs up if you liked this dish, and if you're going to try it, tell us how yours went and give us suggestions on your favorite meals that we could make keto. Thank you for watching.